Software engineering is a systematic and disciplined approach to designing, developing, and maintaining software systems. It involves the application of engineering principles, methodologies, and best practices to create high quality software products that meet the needs of users and stakeholders. Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Stunts. I am Ashwara Saxena, and in this software engineering series, I am going to talk about what is software engineering. So stay tuned till the end because this is going to be really very helpful video. So let's talk about some key aspects of software engineering. Number 1, systematic process. Software engineering follows a well-defined and structured process to manage the complexities of software development. This process typically includes stages like requirement gathering, design implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Number 2, quality assurance. Ensuring the quality of the software is a critical concern in software engineering. Quality assurance activities involve testing, code reviews, and adherence to code standards to minimize defects and errors in the software. Number 3, methodologies and model. Software engineers often use various methodologies and models to guide the development process. Common methodologies include Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, and DevOps. Each has its own set of practices and principles to follow. Number 4, documentation. Software engineering emphasizes the importance of documentation throughout the software development lifecycle. This includes documenting requirements, design decisions, code comments, and user manuals to make the software understandable and maintainable. Number 5, problem solving. Software engineers are problem solvers. They analyze user needs and business requirements, then design and implement solutions to adhere those needs. This requires critical thinking and creativity. Number 6, teamwork. Software development is rarely a solo effort. Software engineers often work in teams to collaborate on complex projects. Effective communication and teamwork are crucial for success. Number 7, continuous improvement. Software engineering encourages a culture of continuous improvement. After development, software is often maintained and updated to meet evolving users' needs and address issues that arise over time. Number 8, ethics and professionalism. Software engineers are expected to adhere to ethical principles and professional standards. This includes respecting intellectual property, ensuring user privacy and security, and following codes of conduct established by professional organizations. So in summary, you can say software engineering is a multidisciplinary field that combines technical skills, process management, and problem-solving abilities to create a reliable, maintainable, and high-quality software solutions. It plays a crucial role in today's technology-driven world, where software is integral to almost every aspect of business and daily life. I hope you have gained some knowledge of what is software engineering. So stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. See you in the next video.